How to use Apple Watch SE for swimming. So in your Apple Watch, just go ahead to your apps menu. You can press on your crown over here on the right to open that up. So it should look something like this. So your apps, what you're gonna have to do now is press on the workout or choose the workout app. In the workout app, you can go ahead and add your own workout, which should be the swimming option, of course, and choose that specific workout. It should be something like this. So once you choose on the swimming option, you will get the next option or the next section, which should be this. It's gonna go for a little countdown and it's going to start the actual swimming activity. So it's gonna give you your time, the active kcal, total kcal, an average, and the meters. But once you are done, you're gonna have to turn this little switch over here or the crown. You're gonna turn this to unlock the water lock. So you'll be able to use or edit the current watch that you're using. So once you turned off the water lock, you can go ahead to swipe the screen to the right this way and you will get this options over here, which is the water lock again. You can go for a new one, you can pause, or you can finally end your session. But that's pretty much the main idea on how to use your Apple Watch SE for swimming. So make sure you're using it properly. It's tugged into your wrist so it doesn't fall off or anything. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.